Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure iOS is updated and iCloud Reminders is enabled. This prevents sync gaps. Once done, sign into the same Apple ID on devices, then open the Reminders app and select the list you're fixing. Now tap the three-dot menu or the list header to access list settings. This is where visibility, sorting, and notification basics live. Follow these first actionable steps before changing notifications, because fixing the source avoids repeating the same issue later. Next, focus on the middle steps. Inspect the list-specific alert and scheduled notification settings. If a reminder has no alert, you won't get a banner. Then go to Settings, Notifications, Reminders. Make sure Allow Notifications is on, choose Badges, Sounds, and lock screen visibility. Once done, force a sync by toggling iCloud Reminders off and on, or sign out and sign back into iCloud. This resolves most silent or delayed reminders, because it refreshes server-side. To finish, create a test reminder with a specific time and an alert, then lock the phone and wait to verify it fires. This confirms the fix. Once done, restart your iPhone and ensure background app refresh is enabled for reminders, so scheduled alerts trigger. If you still miss alerts, reset network settings or check Do Not Disturb and focus modes. One key troubleshooting tip: if reminders still fail after these steps, sign out of iCloud, restart, and sign back in to re-establish sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.